Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to show you how to install our electric tongue jack. And while it might look intimidating, it's actually a very simple and easy installation that it should only take you about 30 to 45 minutes. A few tools that you might need that we ended up using during our installation are wire crimpers, electrical tape, zip ties, jack stands, a razor knife, a wire connector for the wire on the tongue jack, as well as whatever sockets and wrenches you might need. We used 13 millimeter and 3/8 inch sockets. So let's get straight into it. We'll start by setting up jack stands or by connecting a vehicle to the hitch in order to support the trailer as we remove the old hitch. Once we have the hitch supported, we will disconnect the battery. For us, we just unscrewed the wing nut. However, your battery setup may be different, so you might need to use some tools in order to do that. Once disconnected, we'll start to remove the old jack wiring from the black plastic sheath. Keep in mind your wiring setup might be different, so you may need to undo some electrical tape or zip ties in order to get the old jack wire out. Once that's done, we will remove the pin and foot from the old jack, and then we will undo the bolts holding the old jack on the trailer. And once that's done, we can lift the old jack off. Now we can start to install the new tongue jack, but before we put it on, we will need to undo the pin and foot from the new jack, otherwise we won't be able to get it on. Once it's removed, we can slide the new jack through the hole. Once that's done, we can reuse the bolts to secure the new jack onto the hitch and replace the foot and pin on it. Once the jack is secure, we will route the new wire back up to the battery in the same fashion as before. And once it's all wired up, that's when we'll put the sheathing back on. As far as wiring goes, we'll use a simple wire connector here and some wire crimps to secure it, and then reattach the wiring to the battery using the wing nut from before. Once everything is all secured and taped up back the way it was, we can then test the new electric jack to make sure it works by hitting extend and retract to make sure that the foot goes up and down. And that's all there is to it when you're installing our electric tongue jack. Like I said, it might look intimidating, but it's a very easy installation process that won't take you very long to do at all. If you like what you see and you want to know more, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what we offer in the future, as well as other how-tos and installation tips, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.